Hey guys, Gary G back again with another video, and today I'm pretty excited. I'll tell you why. It's because I'm checking out a line that I've been seeing go all around the internet, and today I'm going to tell you about my experience with it. And the line that I'm talking about is the DIY detail products line, and I'm pretty excited about it, I gotta tell you. So let's get into it. Okay, so I got a box of products from them. I'm going to go down the line of everything that I got. Incredible Suds, this is their soap. It is, well, it's incredible. And it has insane suds. It's extremely concentrated. You use like 1 ounce in your foam can, it's insane. Second thing that we have is ceramic gloss. Ceramic gloss can be put on your vehicle when it's wet to use as a drying aid. It could also be used when it's dry, you know, kind of like a bead maker or any other paint sealant. After that, we have Interior Clean and Protect. That is a non-greasy protectant that you can use, as well as a cleaner on the inside. Also, we have Quick Beads. Quick Beads is a graphene infused. This stuff you can spray on, hit it with a pressure washer, and it'll set, and then you rinse it off. This stuff it's amazing. I really dig this a lot. This is also a product I was really excited to try out because, well, it's interesting that it's in a spray bottle, but it's basically a ceramic coating for your interior. We're gonna show that in today's video as well. Now the last thing, last but not least, is the famous rinseless wash. I'm actually gonna do a separate dedicated video with this when I do my rinseless wash process video. I feel this thing deserves its own video. It's just so useful in so many different ways. So anyways, that's how I'm gonna do that today. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a video overlaying showing the process of me detailing a Range Rover, it's a Discovery, and I do it about every 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm gonna show you each product and talk about it as I'm doing it. So let's go ahead and get into that. All right, so the first thing we're gonna talk about, Incredible Suds. This stuff is incredible, and let me tell you, it is certainly sudsy. It's not crazy thick, it's about your average, but it's a grape scent. And like I said, incredibly concentrated, about 1 ounce for your foam can. And what you're gonna see here is I'm using the MJJC foam cannon, which is obviously the highest sudsing foam can you can get. There's nothing on the market that tops it, not even the MTM or anything. It's a foam king. So put this soap, pair it up with the best foam cannon out there, pair it up with the Active 2.0 pressure washer at 2 GPM, and you're gonna get insane suds like you're seeing in this video right here. So what is a foam really for, right? You need to provide cleaning power, you need to provide cushion to protect against scratching or marring. And let me tell you, it definitely has that. You can feel the crazy slickness under the washman. I was really happy when I was doing the actual wash process. And then to top it off, a lot of times soap that's like this clings really well, doesn't really like to rinse off so much. It leaves some kind of residue or something, and I'm happy to report that it does not do that. It rinses right away. And doesn't strip any protection. It's not pH neutral, but it's an 8, so it's right over pH neutral, so it's pretty dang close. So if you know anything about me, you know I love spray-on, rinse-off paint sealants, or just paint sealants in general. Let me tell you, Quick Beads is fantastic. Quick Beads is a graphene infused. You might be able to see some of that graphene oxide in the bottle there, so you got to mix it up. But this stuff here is basically the same thing as any of those other products that you spray on and rinse off, like Punch It from Shine Supply, Touchless from Mirror Finish. You spray a couple sprays per panel, immediately hit it with a pressure washer, and it's like a ceramic coating. It's unbelievable. I mean, you can see it in the video. It's rather impressive. Now you'll notice that I am rinsing from the bottom to the top, and the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want all that product that I sprayed on the panel to just be rinsed off. If you spray a couple spritz on your panel, spray from the bottom up, you're bringing all of that up, and then it's dropping down so it really has a chance to set in. So DIY Detail will tell you that you should leave it on for about 30 seconds to a minute. Once again, if you know me, you know I don't do that. I usually just spray it on, rinse it right off, and it sets in just fine. So I haven't had a problem with it performing well just by immediately rinsing it off, and that's the way I used it here. So I'm incredibly impressed with the slickness that you get with this stuff. And by the way, the blow off, meaning using my blower to blow it off, it's really good too. So DIY didn't send me their tire lotion, so obviously I'm gonna be using my own tire shine. What I'm doing after that is I am applying ceramic gloss, this detail spray, ceramic detail spray to the wheels. I've been really liking to use it on that to do the last little cleanup, but this can be used like any other paint sealant, like bead maker, like Extreme Solutions topper, ceramic detail spray. You just literally spray it on, wipe it off. It works amazing for everything. So from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you, this is the interior portion of the video. This is interior clean and protect. I like to use this as my maintenance product. And in this video, all I used it for was just the rubber, just to kind of show you guys how it cleans the rubber and leaves just a nice clean look. It's not greasy. Just rub it in, and it's UV protectant, and it you know, does everything that you would expect that to do. All right, so here's your interior ceramic. Like I said, it's an interior ceramic coating, basically. Light ceramic coating, if you will. There's really no advertised durability because they said they wouldn't give that out because everybody is different on their interiors. Some people are rougher than others, but you just spray this directly on, or you can spray it into a towel. I prefer to spray it into a towel because when you spray it on, it just tends to go everywhere. But if you can see this plastic in the back here of this Range Rover, it's just, it gives it a look to it. You can see it looks like a nice satin sheen to it, and it's really, really nice. It's not greasy, but you're going to feel something on the plastic until that evaporates because it's part of that ceramic coating, but it's just such a nice, like a brand new look that it gives. And I'm really excited to see how that holds up. Now I also sprayed it on all the doors and all the hard surfaces, on the leather, on the seats and everything. And I don't really prefer to spray it directly on. It's harder to spread around in my opinion, and I don't want to go spraying it all over the glass and everything, so. All right guys, so before I reveal to you the final look of the vehicle, I just want to tell you guys I did get a discount code. It is Stay Slick 10. It's pretty much my discount code for all brands. Stay Slick 10 is going to give you 10% off. I got a link down below. The link is an affiliate link. So I would really appreciate it if you guys are going to buy. It's just going to kick back a little bit of percentage of your sale to me for helping to spread the knowledge about these products. I love giving you guys free knowledge on this channel, and that's one of the best ways you can thank me is to buy through these links. So I do get a little kickback so I can continue to do what I'm doing and improve the channel. I really do appreciate it if you guys do that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you the results. All right guys, thank you so much for coming back to another video. I appreciate you guys. Like I said, links in the description for all these products. If you trust me, trust when I say these products are amazing. I believe at the time of this video, they don't have them in gallon sizes. I could be wrong, but once they get them in gallon sizes, I'm gonna be buying more of these products. All right, thank you guys as always for coming back to another video. I appreciate you guys, all my Stay Slick fam. If you guys trust my opinion, trust me, this product line is awesome. Make sure you guys follow that link in the description, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys later. Peace. Stay slick. Let's get it.